Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Christmas Kudil. To begin, gather your essential materials. You will need sturdy bamboo sticks, fresh coconut leaves, and a generous amount of festive string lights. Also, ensure you have strong twine or wire for secure construction. Prepare a stable base, approximately 1 meter by 1 meter, for your Kudil. Having everything ready makes the building process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's construct the main frame. Take 4 main bamboo poles, each about 2 meters tall, and position them to form the corners of your Kudil. Securely tie horizontal bamboo sticks to create a stable square or rectangular base and top. It's crucial that all joints are tightly bound with strong twine or wire. This ensures your Kudil is robust and can withstand various outdoor conditions, providing a solid foundation for the rest of your work. Now it's time to add the roof and walls. Carefully weave fresh coconut leaves tightly onto the roof frame, creating a natural and waterproof covering. Then, attach additional coconut leaves or other natural materials to the sides, forming the Kudil's walls. Remember to overlap the leaves significantly. This prevents any gaps and enhances the traditional, rustic aesthetic of your Christmas Kudil, making it truly authentic and beautiful. Finally, let's bring your Kudil to life with decorations. Adorn your structure with festive string lights, ensuring they are evenly distributed for a warm, inviting glow. Add traditional Christmas decorations such as stars, bells, and small, colorful ornaments. For a complete scene, place a small nativity scene or other festive figures inside. Your beautifully crafted Kudil will be a wonderful centerpiece, radiating the spirit of Christmas.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.